Hello, in this video we will discuss about the your weakness of the biology, and you are not basically getting the concept and why your biology is too much weak. So how to improve yourself according to uh, biological uh, biological concept. So important thing is that for your understanding, basically the focus on the diagram is number one, and taking in interest, and basically the biology, the meaning of the biology is the study of living organism. So the living organism can be a plant, or animal. So the microorganism as well as the macroorganism as a plant and animal. So what is that, and how to improve our biological science? So the biological science is totally depend on the environment, which that is we are living in the environment, and environment is very important. Biology basically is related to the environment because the environment contain a many organisms. So number one thing is that uh, if we will able to draw the diagram, so we can improve the biology, number one, because the diagram can explain a long story in short manner. And the other thing is that important thing is that that is basically when you are getting the biology courses, for example biochemistry or something. So that is important if you are observing environment. So basically environment observation is so important. For example, I am giving the example about that. For example, you are observing the animal for their territorial behavior. I mean, the animal is using their behavior and their lifestyle. So without reading you can imagine, and you can without reading you can observe that aspects, and that their problems and their benefits and their predation or their food, and we can check that they are carnivores or omnivores or something. So important thing is that we should learn from the environment. So the uh, environmental organism, so we are the social animal. So if we will discuss about the human, so if we will discuss about the social biology, so the social biology we will discussing about the social biology. So without observation we can't get concept. So that is important things. And if we will discuss about the medical science, so that is important things. We will learn from the patient, from the doctor. A doctor can learn from the patient, and they can take out the concept and what is the function by the different instruments, by the using of different instruments. So this is the important things which that is I am discussing in this video. So on the other hand, the major things I want to convey the message for getting the more interest. So please observation. If even plant or animal, it doesn't matter. If you are your subject is according to the plant science, so you will learn from the plant. So where is the basically plant growth and plant factors, plant stimulation and plant lifestyle, plant life cycle. So everything should be related to the observation. So the biological observation is so important uh, uh, during the evolutionary process. If we will discuss about the evolution, so the evolution is so important, and it it is impossible to learn through books. Just you should observe the nature and what is the requirement of the nature, and our requirement is according to the nature. For example, our skin, basically skin is made up of uh, different tissues, and it is preserve the heat or loss of the heat through sweating gland or something. So that's all thing is due to the evolutionary process. So we can observe itself and observe from the animal, and we can just imagine that. So the answer is that for how to prepare your biology and how to get more marks from biology subjects. So observation is very important. When you will observe the some animals, so you can explain as much as possible, and you can get the concept. And if you are getting the concept, so you are clearing yourself, you are completing yourself, everything will be complete. So this is my opinion about the biology subject. So if you like this opinion, so you can comment below. And if you have any question about biology, so you can give the comment, and we will discuss together. Everyone, we will discuss together through this concept. And if you are weak in you are weak in the biology subjects, so please comment below, and we will discuss about the biology subjects and biology expectation and their preparation and how to prepare in the exam and their way of learning. And I am making video about the biology, so you can learn from me, as a teacher I am, so I can explain all things about that videos. There are I will make more and more videos about the biology. So still I am here, and I will do something new and prepare myself for getting more knowledge. On the other hand, important thing is that I am struggling for the way of teaching. I am struggling for the way of teaching, how to deliver the concept and how to improve the delivering system or understanding system for you. So this is important things. So you are getting the my opinion. So if any problem in your uh, biology subject, so please comment below, we will discuss together. So thanks for watching.